The graph below shows the path of a projectile. The graph has a maximum point at 5 over 2, 245 over 8, and the point 347.5 also lies on the curve. The equation of the curve can be modelled in the form of h is equal to c minus a, brackets t minus b all squared. Find the values of b and c and show that a is 49 over 10. Give your answers for b and c as fractions. Find the height of the projectile predicted by the model when t is 3 over 2 and state the range of t for which the model is valid. Okay, so we got h is equal to c minus a t minus b squared. Now the maximum this function can ever be is c when t is equal to b. So from here we can actually find the value of b and c. Okay, so the maximum is 5 over 2, 245 over 8. Hence, h will be of the format 245 over 8, which is the maximum value that the height can be, minus a is equal to t minus 5 over 2. Because if we put 5 over 2 in here, this becomes 0, which is the minimum bit this could ever be. Therefore, this is a maximum. Right, in order to find the value of a, we need to use this coordinate here. So the curve passes through 347 over 5. So we can say 147 over 5 is equal to 245 over 8 minus a times 3 minus 5 over 2 all squared, which means that minus 49 over 40 is equal to minus a times a half all squared. So if rearranging that will give me that a is equal to 4 times 49 over 40, which gives me 49 over 10. So we get that a is 49 over 10, b is 5 over 2, and c is 245 over 8. This one we were given the answer. B, using our formula now, 245 over 8 minus 49 over 10 times t minus 5 over 2 all squared. So when t is 3 over 2, if we substitute it in there, so h is 245 over 8 minus 49 over 10 times 3 over 2 minus 5 over 2 all squared, we're going to get 245 over 8 minus, here this will become minus 1, 49 over 10 times minus 1, which will give me 1029 over 40 metres, or 25.75 metres. Right, to find where the model is valid, the model will be valid if the height is positive, because we can't have negative height in this case. We've got 245 over 8 minus 49 over 10, t minus 5 over 2 all squared is equal to 0, which means that 49 over 10, t minus 5 over 2 all squared is equal to 245. Now we're going to divide by 49 over 10, or multiply by 10 over 49. So we get t minus 5 over 2 squared is 25 over 4. Taking the square root, we're going to get t minus 5 over 2 is equal to plus or minus 5 over 2. And then for the two values, when it's minus 5 over 2, we're going to get 0. And when it is plus 5 over 2, we're going to get 5. So the model is valid for t being between 0 and 5. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to use completely the square format of a quadratic to model the path of a projectile. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.